Hello and welcome back to part 4 of my Maui vacation. Now this is going to be the final video, the conclusion, to whatever you want to call it, the end, because I have nothing more after this. The footage that you're going to see in this video was taken on the last day there, so I didn't put a lot of concentration into any kind of B-roll. All I was simply doing was grasping at the last few minutes that I had to get up in the air and just fly. And that's what we have here. I have some beautiful beach footage, flying over a whale, actually. I flew over a whale. Yeah. A whale's tail was in the air, or was out of the water, flopping around. I flew over it, and I got that footage. On top of that, I got some mountain footage and whatnot. So please enjoy the conclusion to my Maui vacation, and I hope to see you in the next video.
So at this point, I had probably flown a couple packs already, and I had one pack left. Just one. And I heard this loud, like, rapport crack through the air. And I hurried up, and I turned and I looked, and I saw a breaching whale. And it was a full-size whale. And you could actually kind of see it right there, right in front of, right dead center of the screen there. You can see the disturbance in the water, and there it is. It was a whale. It was a mama whale with a baby whale, and she was teaching him how to smack the tail in the water, and it was just absolutely amazing. Now, I didn't want to fly too close and disturb the whale. So I didn't know if there's some sort of law or anything like that saying that I'd be harassing the whale. They're very, very protective of their whales there. So I kind of flew around and near it, but I didn't get too close. I didn't want to, again, I didn't want to get arrested on vacation. So I kept it respectful and kind of stayed away, and I was a little nervous and, all that crap. So that's my flying over the whale, experience. Yeah, we'll call it an experience. So, hope you enjoy it. I'll keep this playing for a little bit, and see you next time.